请
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin, and here comes music from Huang Zixuan called About Dim Sum or Im Cai Si. Now, the song uses vibrant lyrics and melodies to paint a picture of the lively atmosphere in a traditional tea house. The song is not only a musical journey, but also a heartfelt tribute to the preservation of cultural traditions. Let's take a listen.
香片有凉，马里香，最爱甲你时间，你时间，思春俩留下，见到到两只一只手指该扣你，所以也改变，爱甲你唱。无奈点多改点心肠，你讲俩是退变化，因为路子未走，饮茶也是不是绕口，不是绕口。马照标，舞照跳。大汉饮茶不是多法，不是多法。
这是由4度入围金曲奖的黄子轩所带来的作品，叫做《饮茶以思》。这次他邀请到了 The Crane 参与创作，透过生动的歌词和旋律，描绘了昔日茶楼的繁华景象，让人仿佛重回那段充满故事与情感的时光，也让这首歌不仅是一段音乐旅程，更是一份对文化传承的致敬。我们继续收听。
强强木住 em 起來，莫死堂，從氣人家。埋上有蓝水一边火把，看到的两只一只手指该扣你，所以也改变爱该你冲。
What a serene song by Huang Zixuan called Im Cai Si. I'm Joseph Lin. Thank you for listening, and we will see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.